Now this C-look is basically inspired by our C-scan that we studied. In this again, the disk arm is going to go to one end, but only till the last request, and then from there it is going to turn back, but this time towards the end's last request, towards the other end's last request. Means what? This is a C-scans example that we solved. So we went in one direction, but we went till the end of the disk. Now C-look says this, that only go until the disk arm is supposed to go until the last request in that particular direction only. Means we are supposed to stop somewhere right here on 190, because that's the last request to be served, and from there we are supposed to get back on the another end. This between time is going to remain empty. This between time as usual is going to remain empty, and we are going to get back to the another end. But where? Not towards the start of the cylinder, to the another end, means to the last request, to the other end's last request, or you can say the first request. Basically other end's first request is nothing but your 16. So we are going to begin right from here. So let's understand how do we do this with an example. Here we have the same example, 0 to 199, and then we begin from 50. So I'll mark 50. We go in one direction, that is nothing but the right side. So we will start serving all the requests on the right side in one direction. So from 50 to 82, 82 to 140, from 140 to 170, and from 170 to 190. Now as C-look says, don't go towards the end of the list, rather reach only the last request in that particular direction. So this is our last request in this particular direction. So we stop over here, and from this go towards the other end's last request. So 43, 24, 16. So other end's last request is nothing but 16. If you all see from this side, it's also the first request basically. So basically go to the other end's last request. So this between time will remain to be empty, and then we'll reach the other end's last request, and from there again start serving in the same right side direction. If your serving is basically left, so it's left, we still have 24 and 43 to be served. So we'll go to 24 and then 43. Now this is total seat time, which is nothing but from 50 to 190, which is nothing but 190 to 50, plus this time also needs to be counted. So that is 190 to 16. So 190 minus 16, and then from 16 to 43, which is nothing but 43 minus 16, which is nothing but 341. That's it for your C-look and disk scheduling algorithms.